Hi everybody, welcome to our Facebook page. Let's make these cute little crowns. Take a craft paper and start folding it like this. Again flip it and we are going to fold it into half. Then we are going to make more folds like this and look at it is almost ready now. Then we are going to flip it and do the same from other side as well. Now we are going to open it like this and look, your crown is ready. You can add pearls on it. Look at this heart-shaped envelope. Let's make it. We're going to fold a printed craft paper. Make multiple folds and do the same from other side. Then we're going to put it inside. Put a heart shape and it's ready. We're going to make these flower-shaped containers from craft paper. So take a craft paper and start folding it from its corners. Fold it like a triangular shape. Then we are going to make the petals of the flower like this, and we are going to do this from all its four sides. Again, we are going to fold it like this and look, open it gently and your container is ready. You can put your pearls inside it. Let's make these beautiful bookmarks. You can also use them in invitation cards. Let's make it. We are folding a printed craft paper. Again, make multiple mini folds and look, you will get a shape like this. Do this from other side as well. Now fold it into half and again fold it like this. Paste a pearl and look, it is ready. We are going to make these beautiful containers look like a printed craft paper and start folding it from its corners. Flip it and do the same from other side as well. Again, we are going to repeat the same process of flipping and again folding it like this, and look, it is ready. Now gently open it and look, your container is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.